Hello and welcome to this Business Analysis IQ session. This is Julia, your trainer for today. Today we are going to understand the importance of hashtag and start using them right away. The topics that we are going to cover in the session are: first, case study on hashtag. Second, the capabilities of hashtag. Third, organizing your work using hashtag. Fourth, explicit usage of hashtag. Fifth, hidden usage of hashtag. Without any further delay, let's get into it. Before we begin, let me ask a question to you. Where all do we see hashtags? Well, the answer is almost everywhere. Today, if you consider major social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, we find hashtags everywhere. We see many email campaigns and promotions with a hashtag. While a hashtag can raise your positive voice to the wide audience, it can also put you in controversies. Almost all trending news in the social media is powered by hashtags. Well, the success stories speak for itself. So how can we leverage the hashtags in our work? Whether you are a business analyst, quality analyst, developer, manager, or even a regular student, you can leverage the capabilities of hashtags right in the mailbox. Want to know how? Well, let's begin first with our case study. John is a business analyst by profession employed at a leading investment bank project. He is part of the operational project and interfaces with a diverse range of stakeholders. His stakeholders include developers, quality analysts, operations team, reporting managers, and business sponsors. They use Jira as a requirements management tool. The expected volume of emails that John receives in a day is around 90. Plus, he gets around 120 plus Jira notifications in his mailbox. The project also uses a build and deployment tool, and John does receive around 20 notifications from there as the builds are deployed on a daily basis. So the total count of messages in John's mailbox is around 90 plus 120 plus 20 is equal to 300. For a month, considering 22 working days is equal to 6,600. Now in this scenario, since John is the only business analyst in the project, it goes very difficult for him to identify and tag the important requirements in his mailbox. John tried using email rules, flags and many other stuffs, but they were helpful up to a certain limit. He is very concerned by the time Sharon, a developer from his team, reaches to him for a clarification. Looking at John's concerns, Sharon recommends him to use hashtags in email. Want to know what did Sharon recommend to John? Well, she suggested John to first organize his email by applying necessary business rules first. She suggested to start tagging the important emails by its functionalities. The functionality name should be the name of the hashtag. Then she suggests John to try searching a common functionality across emails. To John's surprise, only those tagged emails which are related to the functionality were returned by the search result. What next? Sharon asked John. Said, what about follow-up emails? To this, Sharon suggested use another hashtag with follow date. This will ensure your emails are well traced, managed and communicated. John agreed to Sharon's recommendation and followed below steps. Set emails rules. Used a hashtag with functionality name as hashtag. He used multiple hashtags in the same email. He then searched the mailbox using hashtag name. He then verified the search results for the hashtags. For follow-up, he created traceability hashtags. In this case, he used the follow dates as the names of the hashtags. Lastly, did not forget to use the symbol hash, as, failing to do that, the desired results will not match up his expectations. Everything worked perfect for John until one day a senior director raised a concern on usage of such keyword-looking text under John's email signature, to which John asked Sharon for a suggestion. Sharon suggested John to make the hashtags invisible by making the text color as white so that both are in win-win situations. So, in practice, you may use hashtags explicitly and securely. For explicit usage, use the hashtags up font in the emails below the signature. For hidden usage, quietly use in the emails below the signature and change the text color to white so that it goes unnoticed to the readers. For more such videos, please visit our website, which is celebrating 3 years of providing free for life content and 100,000 plus visits worldwide. Feel free to raise questions, feedbacks, suggestions by writing to us. Do subscribe, follow, like, and connect with us. Hope you enjoyed the video. We appreciate your time invested in watching this video.